Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious Sri Lankan banana blossom mallum, also known as Kesel Muwa Mallum. Remove the rough outer purple leaves from the banana blossom and finely chop the tender inner parts. Heat oil in a clay pot or pan, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds optional, let them splutter. Add onion, garlic, curry leaves and green chilies, cinnamon sticks, tomatoes, salt until fragrant. Add the chopped banana blossom and mix well. Stir in turmeric, chili powder, curry powder and salt. Halve and cook over medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a splash of water if needed. Mix in freshly grated coconut and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well combined. And that's our delicious Sri Lankan banana blossom mallum, Kesel Muwa Mallum. Enjoy!